It is often said that the judiciary is the last hope of the common man, but several reasons have been adduced for the erosion of trust in the judicial process. These include the slowness of judicial proceedings and perceived external influences on court decisions. Participants at the summit identified the quality of judicial decisions to be tied to the quality of those appointed as judicial officers. Hence, they want the process to be overhauled to include proficiency tests for them.
As it is today, regardless of the capacity, competence, and integrity of a senior advocate that is desirous of taking up an appointment as a justice of the Supreme Court, it is becoming practically impossible on account of the guidelines that are designed to ensure at the end of the day that appointments are localized through judicial process.
Because the issues are related, permit me to step back and look at the issue of appointment and selection again. Because it has a direct bearing on how efficient the system can be.
Vice President Yemi Osinbajo, who also lent his voice to this call, said that obedience to the rule of law was in the best interest of all.
The truth of the matter, anyway, is that the responsibilities of the judge or justice, as it of the Supreme Court or the Court are such that they must be well regulated. They are such that if they retire, and when they do retire, they must be able to go to homes of their own, that they own, in decent places where they live. That's the way it should be. We should not have a situation where judges are anxious that when they retire, they will not have homes to go to. And because their salaries today simply cannot build any decent home. So we must ensure that these things, that these are the conditions that are met. We must strengthen the process of reviewing performance, incentivizing excellence, and penalizing misconduct. There's also no question at all that the expeditious delivery of justice cannot wait any longer. The reputation of our system for repeatedly resulting in what the UK Court of Appeal described as catastrophic delays must be reversed.
The summit also identified adequate funding and other bottlenecks hindering access to justice. It applauded the ongoing adoption of ICT facilities across court jurisdictions in the country for virtual proceedings as a needed tonic for the nation's development. In Abuja, Olabode Arewa, NTA News.